You love watching movies on your premium TV at home, but find the built-in speakers lacking. If the audio quality doesn't match the stunning visuals, it might be time to consider installing a complete home theater system. This upgrade could significantly enhance your viewing experience, allowing you to enjoy your favorite films to their fullest potential. There are many home theater systems to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best home theater system from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Rockville Cherry-Powered Home Theater. The Rockville Cherry-Powered Home Theater Tower Speaker System is a powerhouse of audio performance, featuring dual-laid subwoofers for deep resonant bass, 4 full-range drivers with polypropylene cones and rubber surrounds, and 2 silk dome tweeters for crisp highs. This system delivers an impressive 800 watts peak power and 200 watts RMS, ensuring room-filling sound. With Bluetooth connectivity boasting a 150-foot range, USB and South Dakota card playback, and built-in FM radio, it offers versatile entertainment Number 2. Definitive Technology Home Theater Speaker. The Definitive Technology Home Theater Speaker System delivers a compact yet powerful 5.1-channel surround sound experience, perfect for modern spaces. This sophisticated setup includes 4 satellite speakers, 1 center channel, and a robust 250-watt powered subwoofer, collectively producing deep room-filling bass and immersive 3-dimensional audio. The high-performance center channel, equipped with advanced drivers including a 1-tweeter, dual 3.25 mid-woofer BDSS drivers, and 2 3.25 bass radiators, ensures exceptional voice clarity and precise sound reproduction. Each satellite speaker features a 1-tweeter, a 3.25 BDSS woofer, and a matching bass radiator, placing you at the heart of the action with surprisingly big sound. Number 3. Enclave Sine Home Wireless Home Theater. The Enclave Sine Home Wireless Home Theater System brings affordable luxury to your living room with its premium quality sound and effortless setup. This plug-and-play surround sound system delivers immersive audio without the need for an AV/R Wi-Fi. The comprehensive package includes an Enclave Sine Hub wireless transmitter, 5 custom-designed and tuned active speakers, an 8-inch wireless subwoofer, HDMI cable, power cords, quick start guide, and remote control. Setting up is a breeze with the Sine Hub's ARC-equipped port. Simply connect the provided HDMI cable to your TV's ARC port, adjust the sound output settings, and you're ready to go. Experience cinema-like surround sound with Dolby Audio and DTS encoding technologies, which enhance even stereo signals to create a rich, room-filling soundscape. The Enclave Sine Home Wireless Home Theater ensures you hear your favorite shows and movies as Number 4. Klipsch Black Reference Theater System. Experience cinematic sound in your home with the Klipsch Black Reference Theater System. This compact yet powerful package delivers superior acoustic performance without dominating your living space. Featuring Klipsch's exclusive Tractrix horn technology and aluminum tweeters, this system produces clean, natural sound that brings your favorite movies and shows to life. The down-firing wireless subwoofer provides room-filling low frequencies without requiring excessive floor space, while the satellite speakers offer flexible mounting options with keyhole mounts and threaded inserts. Whether you're upgrading your existing setup or building a new home theater from scratch, the Klipsch Reference Theater Pack offers an ideal solution. Its minimal footprint belies its impressive audio capabilities, allowing you to immerse yourself in rich, detailed sound without compromising your room's aesthetics. Simply connect the compact pre-paired transmitter to the subwoofer or LFE out on your receiver and place the subwoofer where it sounds and fits best in your room. The built-in all-digital subwoofer amplifier delivers ample power with high efficiency. Number 5. Sony Sound Home Theater System. Immerse yourself in cinematic sound with the Sony Sound Home Theater System, a comprehensive audio solution that brings your entertainment to life. This powerful package includes a Sony 7.2-channel wireless Bluetooth 4K network, AV Wi-Fi home theater receiver, delivering stunning audio processing and seamless connectivity. Paired with a set of Sony 3-way floor standing speakers, you'll experience rich room-filling sound with exceptional clarity and depth. The included Sony 2-way bookshelf speakers provide versatile placement options for surround sound, while the dedicated Sony 2-way center channel speaker ensures crisp. This system offers a full surround sound experience with high-quality audio components. The 7.2-channel receiver suggests support for 7 main speakers and 2 subwoofers, though only 1 subwoofer is mentioned in the package.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of it with our cool products, as it's going to make your life more easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great